We have made it here to Concept Custom, so this is going to be the last time we're going to see the Shadow Gray. It's a little dirty right now, but we are going to get the full color change, carbon fiber add-ons. Take a look at it here. Let's go check them out. So we have made it out here to pick up my C8. We are going to take a look at how she looks. Let's get a big thanks out here to Mo Concept Customs. I really don't know what else to say, but God dang, she looks good. We have made it to the final round. We are coming down to the last 2-minute drill. They've got the car about to come off the racks here. We are going to get her out in the open, take her down the street. Brand is almost done. All right. So we got everything on. You guys know what it is. C8 Matrix. We are all complete. Got her done. A few more things to do. We're going to get the windows tinted on Friday. Do a couple more touch-up stuff. But other than that, we are good to go. She is lowered on the ground. So don't forget, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and we're gonna pull her out. Here's how she sounds. We've got her back. She is ready for the winter here. Arizona, we're going to have a top down pretty much every day. The color, I'm loving it. We've got the wheels done here. Also, we've got the carbon fiber front splitter. She's looking good. I'm very happy, very pleased. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got done to C8 Matrix. We are rocking a Nardo type gray wrap with the Corvette Racing carbon flash decal on the front. Really stands out. I'm loving that. We went with the carbon fiber front splitter, Stingray R racing logos on it. We had the wheels done, so they were powder coated, and then we've got the carbon fiber wrapped roof. So really loving it. Did the carbon fiber on the door trim. Complete roof goes in. And then we did the carbon fiber Z51 spoiler. So I am loving it. We're gonna give her a cold start. It listen, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out the adventures with the C8 Matrix. We're going to be doing some performance mods next. You see we got the cool gray interior, 2LT package. I am loving it. Until next time, enjoy the ride.